Hey designers, let's create this brush in Photoshop. First of all, we need to copy this subject from the background. Go to Select, Subject. It's selected now. Take the Marquee tool. Right-click. Layer via Copy. We have now a copy of the subject here. Make a new layer in between these two layers. Take the Mixer brush tool. Select the background layer. We need to see which part of the subject we want to make brush of.
I'll take this area. Press Alt key and click here. Enable these both. Select Dry Heavy Load. Increase the brush size. Take the new layer. Now add the brush stroke the way you want. Okay, it's taking time because it's a heavy load brush. Now select the subject layer. Click on mask icon by pressing Alt key on your keyboard. Pick the brush tool now. White color is your foreground color. Now apply brush to the area you want the subject to show. Like this video and subscribe.